Telling testimony in an Oakland County courtroom that a Muslim doctor and his wife had female genital mutilation performed on their own daughter, now 9 years old.
The state has taken them to court to take away their parental rights. We're going to go now to 7 investigator Jim Kurtzner. He is live, just getting out of court with this story and the reaction. Jim.
Yeah, Glenda, this very important testimony coming from a doctor who's an expert in pediatric medicine. She works at Children's Hospital in Detroit and is one of only a few doctors who work the child protection team. She examined this 9-year-old daughter of this other doctor and his wife and determined she did have FGM performed on her.
It's for non-medicinal or non-medical reasons. And
I'm sorry, did you say done for non-medical reasons?
That's right.
Okay.
And in her particular case, she's consistent with that diagnosis and consistent with that classification.
Dr. Fakhruddin Attar and his wife Frida are in federal custody and could not be at this hearing. Both are charged criminally for allegedly helping another doctor, Jumana Nargawala, perform female genital mutilation on 2 7-year-old girls brought here from Minnesota earlier this year. All 3 are Muslim, part of a sect known as a Duwadi Bora, based in India. They attend a local mosque in Farmington Hills. An attorney appointed to represent the child today argued parental rights should be terminated because they failed to protect her.
Further, we have an act of severe physical abuse. It well meets the definition of child abuse under the child protection law.
This is the first time we've heard this testimony from this doctor in this case. It could also be very relevant in the criminal cases in federal courts. But the attorney for the doctor disputes her findings.
I think that Dr. Nazar has extremely limited experience with FGM, and I think that we'll be able to show that the doctor's findings are inaccurate.
Now, since Dr. Attar and his wife are locked up, they obviously don't have custody of this 9-year-old daughter right now. She's living with grandparents, and there are restrictions. She can talk with her parents on the phone, but only in English, and she cannot discuss with them, nor can they discuss with her the trouble they're in right now. Glenda, Stephen?
So, Jim, where does this case go from here?
This was the preliminary step in this process. It now goes to a trial here in Pontiac in front of a judge. That'll be next month, and they are going to make arrangements for the parents to be here for that.
All right, Jim, thank you.